Hey everybody, my name is Mike Mangelson.
And I'm Stacy Paulson.
And we are so excited because we get to unbox the new Shine Convention kit to show you these amazing products.
You want that.
I want to see this for sure. I mean, how adorable is this, by the way? So why don't we unbox some of these things and let's show them the products real quick.
So I've got the Vitazen. Super excited about this. Are you excited about this?
Absolutely, absolutely. So honestly, Revitazen, amazing capsules. I want to see what these look like, but it helps the body eliminate toxins more efficiently.
And it provides antioxidant support to reduce oxidative stress. And
what have you got?
I have been dying to smell this. So, ooh, that smells good.
Smell good?
That smells good. I can smell like the rosemary and the tangerine and geranium. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And as a woman,
yeah. Tangerine, ginger, maybe a little ginger. That's awesome. That's a great one. Okay. So we got that. What's next? We want to look at this whole thing. This thing is adorable. It is a little bigger than chapstick, but I mean like past tense stick, okay? Plus sweet gum. Want to smell that? Like, why don't you be the first?
Well, I love this because this is the one that we would always put when in our classes. We would put it on the back of their necks and give them a little mini massage.
Gosh, that smells really good. Okay, exciting for this. I love they come out with these sticks. Okay, what's the next?
You're gonna love this. Castor oil.
Everyone's gonna love that. To be honest, castor oil for me, I've never used it. I've heard all kinds of things about it. What does it do? How do you use it?
Well, I've been using it every single day for several years. I put it on my throat, I put it on my eyes with different oils, and also for my hair and my scalp. So it's one of my favorites.
That's
every single day.
That's awesome.
You're gonna love it.
I'm excited to figure it out. What's left? We got one thing left.
Shine. This is awesome. I love my collection of these. So let's smell that one.
Okay. So the convention blend, the famous Shine
Citrusy,
Convention
light.
blend. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, everybody, super excited for these products and excited for you to all experience them as well.